Right, got my Bosch KT500 series. This is 570 and I've got it just plugged in. I'm doing a relative compression using the Bosch scope. Basically got the Bosch leads there. This adapter from eBay, about £3, goes into this little adapter here, and then it goes into this Hantek. Let's push. It's really hard to do with one hand, so you've got to bear with me with this. Right, so we're in. Happy days. This is the Hantek CC-650. Cost me about £50. Basically, millivolts, 1 millivolt dash 1 amp. It's the setting you want. Be a bit careful with this because obviously power's on there to 0 it and press this, but sometimes it can get a bit stuck and catch you out. So I'm just gonna do this here. See what I mean? Yeah, it got stuck there, so don't let it get stuck. Put that on the starter motor lead. I got the starter motor relay out and I'm going to bypass it, but this is how to set up the scope. I've had quite a few problems with the reflection on this, so you have to bear with me. So we go in here. Now it is a 600 amp clamp. No. And we need to put this on 1000 milliseconds peak signal and turn that one off because we don't want 2 on. So 600 amps there. Turn signal off there and have this on the 100 milliseconds there. So we're just gonna try this. Let you look at this. It's a bit blurry. We'll try our best. So just pause it there, and there you have it basically. And that pause didn't pause. There you go. Now let's take this back, and then we'll see. Put it back there. You missed the first initial one, but basically these are the compression strokes. Looking for even compression strokes to determine whether you've got a problem with the cylinder. Thanks for watching.